Despite the rapid development of medicine, startling discoveries in the field of biochemistry and genetics, there is still an acute need for the creation of new types of medicines and modern methods of treatment. Doctors keep on saying that it is vital to treat the cause of the disease, not its consequences. But things do not always turn out like this. Does modern medicine regard a human being as a single biological structure in which each organ influences functional zones and stages of functional disorders of separate organs? Do they always find out the cause of a disease in order to render the patient an effective medical help? With this in mind, it is vital to evaluate the functions of the liver, responsible for blood fluidity, the thyroid gland, responsible for the body's general vitality, the pancreas, which is essential for normal metabolism, the lymphatic system and spleen, responsible for the body's detoxification, and finally the lungs, responsible for the body's oxygen supply. Dr. Kulikovich is convinced that in order to exercise to evaluate the whole pathological chain and find regarded as a single structure. Most of the clinic's patients are people whom traditional methods of treatment have failed to help. The first time I heard about Dr. Kulikovich's clinic, to be frank, I did not believe they could help me. I was in despair. I had given up hope of being able to walk normally. Arinkova Galina, age 80. 3 years ago, the patient was only able to move within her flat. A month after the beginning of treatment, she visited her children in St. Petersburg. I keep on taking medical sessions at the clinic from time to time, for sometimes I have some minor problems with my health, but they are not serious. They have all gone in the course of 2 years of treatment at Dr. Kulikovich's clinic. I had my thyroid gland ablated twice. Histologic analysis showed that there were cancer cells in the ablated gland. Pelik Vladimir, age 68, presented at the clinic in a serious condition. He had lost 7 kilograms over the previous month. After a 2-month treatment, he had gained 10 kilograms. Now he is working, leading a full life. The size of a metastasis has decreased. I will certainly keep on visiting the clinic for more medical sessions. But now I don't have to take medical treatment as often as I did before, for my health has considerably improved. I had been suffering from osteochondrosis of the backbone for several years. Actually, osteochondrosis plus osteoporosis. 2 years ago, I had serious complications. I can't help crying now. I was confined to bed. Bondarenko Alla, age 48. Osteoporosis. Bone mass increase 18.7%. 2 years ago, she was on the brink of becoming an invalid. Now, she is wearing high-heeled shoes, feeling a healthy woman. The treatment I underwent has really proved to be effective, as Yuri Nikolaevich promised. It's true. I was presented at the clinic in a very serious condition. I had been taking prednisolone for a long time, but this medicine was not effective. I would say it had no effect at all. Furmanets Valentina, age 47. Osteoporosis. Before presenting at the clinic, she had taken prednisolone, about 16 milligrams a day. She no longer takes any medicines. All symptoms disappeared. Thanks to the medical sessions and, of course, the experience and utmost care of the clinic specialists, I was able to get out of this narcotic condition. And I'm feeling well. Or maybe I should say, I'm feeling fine. I'm 38 years old. I have been having trouble with my heart for 35 years. I suffer from paroxysmal bouts. Nazarova Ina, age 38, complains weakness since she was 3 years old, frequent bouts of rapid heartbeat, up to 200 strokes per minute, about 20 bouts a day, dyspnea, panic, lumps and pressure on her throat. Results: bouts of rapid heartbeat ceased after the 5th medical session. Lumps and pressure on her throat ceased after the 10th session. The patient took up tennis and yoga. After the 3rd medical session at the clinic, the bouts ceased. I am not taking any medication. I am grateful to Dr. Kulikovich for this. I have taken 20 medical sessions so far. I'm feeling well. I had been confined to bed for 2 months. I was practically not able to move because of a sharp pain. My husband and son carried me here in their arms. Sitinkova Lubov, age 43, osteoporosis, osteochondrosis of the backbone with a sharp pain syndrome, psoriasis, bone mass increased 27%. I'm wearing high-heeled shoes. I'm feeling fine. I'm very grateful to the doctors. Frankly speaking, there is no other clinic in the city which has such wonderful doctors. Successful treatment in Dr. Kulikovich's clinic is not in words, but in deeds, in a complex approach to treating a disease. It allows doctors to carry out overall repairs, so to say, of the most important organs. The clinic's personnel is convinced that the future of modern medicine is in a systematic approach both to diagnostics and treatment.